what's your experience been with entrepreneurs and because they're in extremely high stress situations most of the time, and you even talk about VPs or people in
Okay.
those echelons.
Okay.
But primarily for an entrepreneur, what's been your experience?
Okay, so when we talk about suicide, we cannot pinpoint and say, okay, this is the exact reason what could be the cause of suicide. We call something called as risk factors. The more the risk factors, the more is the possibility of a person attempting or committing suicide.
Okay, so that's
So,
your term with
yes,
respect to
yes. Now, some of the risk factors are one of the most important risk factor what we have been seeing of late is that changing social structure. Okay, previously it used to be like something like a 9 to 4 kind of job, having a close family members, okay, having a tight knit family and all those things. With rapid urbanization and a need to excel, especially for entrepreneurs, that 9 to 5 job is lost. Okay, if you have to survive in this cutthroat competition, you need to work more, you need to get out of your home, go to new places, because of which some things which were protective against suicide are lost.
So
one
you
is
think,
one is like family coherence. Family coherence.
So
Apart
when
from
we
that,
talk about family coherence
Okay.
in that case, what is it that as a family,
Mhm.
how do you identify or how do because these guys are just all over the place.
Yes, true,
right?
true,
Because most entrepreneurs are not gonna be not gonna have a schedule. Maybe
True, exactly. Very hectic schedule,
not
erratic.
have food on time. Right?
True,
And breakfast, lunch, dinner. You don't have them on
Yes,
time.
yes.
And, how so they're anyway quite in a lot of disarray with respect. Otherwise, if it's a 9 to 5 job, people know, okay, if he is not having food, something's wrong. So how does a family member kind of
When we speak about risk factors, no, there are certain factors which are also protective kind of thing. We say the social support, the support system which the person has, that is to some extent preventive against a person committing suicide. Okay, the more and better the social support is there, the lesser is the probability of a person committing suicide. So what happens is that in entrepreneurs who tend to like dedicate a lot of time to their work and very less family time, they tend to lose this kind of social support, which is protective. That could be one contributing factor. Okay, and of course the entrepreneurial work itself is too demanding, too hectic, where you have to deal with your colleagues, your superiors, your inferiors, people who work under you. At the same time, you need to balance your personal life also, that work life balance. Along with that, one more thing is that each and every person is different. Okay, let's say there are two people of the same entrepreneurial stature having undergoing same amount of stress, same degree of stress. How the two people take stress is different. One person might be having an excellent coping skills, other person might be very sensitive to criticism and all those things, and his coping skills may be not as good as the other person. So all these things act in a very collaborative way, resulting in a person to give into suicide. So, and other thing is that the manner in which a person goes on to commit suicide. Some things it can be very impulsive kind of thing. At that particular point of time, the first person feels that his life is not worth, and he has this sudden urge or impulse to put an end to his life, and suddenly he goes on to do that.